Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Myntri Sorkar Pedeng Bedepet Yakatanat Law and Justice Ukiren Rijiju. Ula ong baka Mang Tyngka nakabanta ka Thaiñ Chatay Lamingi leng baka Sorkar Pedeng. Kalakiyo nakahenrepo pra Hajar Klur Tyngka, House Snem balala siya kahenyo henrew Hajar Klur Tyngka, Mynta Snem. Habakran siya kilat patay kubor hasilong. Uri jiju ula ong baka Shong pat sahay ki Sorkar Jylla jong kani ka Thaiñ ban Pyndonkam ya kani kahenyo henrew Hajar Klur Tyngka. Nalor kata, ula ong baka Sorkar Pedeng, kalamang sakat sans pak Klur Tyngka, ban Myntri yaki projek ibam syak kentop haki way pat ki scheme. Ula ong baya kaneka kat sans pak Klur Tyngka, on Myntri kamlang baka North Eastern Council.
Overall allocation for the Northeast in the entire budget has jumped by huge numbers. In the last year's budget, the total allocation for the Northeast was 68,000 crore, little more than 68,000 crore, which has come to 76,000 crores this time, more than 76,000 crores. So it is a huge quantum jump, a jump of nearly 8,000 crores. So now it is up to the governments in the northeastern states to utilize all the budgetary support allocated in the union budget presented by Nirmala Sitharamanji. Other than this quantum jump of 76,000 crore, the PM Divine, that is the Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeastern Region, in short it is known as PM Divine, 1,500 crore is given extra. So this 1,500 crore is an initial amount allocated, and this amount will be utilized in those sectors which are not covered by any other programs and policies or schemes which are launched by the Government of India. Because what we have seen is, in Northeast, due to unique geographical and regional character, there are some areas, some critical structures, some issues which are not settled by existing programs and policies. There are many areas which are left out, which are like a gap. So this special amount of initial amount of 1,500 crore is to fill up all those gaps so that nothing is left as a vacuum. So Prime Minister is so thoughtful that nothing should be left out. No stone will be left unturned when it comes to the development of Northeastern region. That is why, besides the massive allocation of funds through various departments and ministries, the extra 1,500 crore as initial amount has been given to Northeastern Council to work as a gap for anything which is uncovered. Besides that, there are aspirational districts. There are some other special programs which are going on. Through the Ministry of Donor, the coordinations are taking place. I belong to Northeastern region, so I also take special interest to ensure that some of the schemes allocated under the budget are implemented properly. So it is a moral duty on the part of everyone to ensure that all the funds which are allocated in the union budget must be utilized prudently. And a place like Shillong, which is known as a very progressive city in the northeastern region, being a very old city, people of Shillong and people of Meghalaya will definitely wholeheartedly welcome the union budget, because this budget has given provision for every section of the society. So nobody will be left out, whether it is with regards to electricity connection or gas connection or potable water at your doorstep, banking accessibility through all this Jan Dhan Yojana, and all important critical requirement of the common people are being taken care of under this budget. We have a very friendly government in Meghalaya. I'm sure our government is part of the our party is part of the government So I'm sure our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, who is very young, very dynamic, he will ensure under his leadership all the schemes, all the programs, and all the amount allocated under the union budget of 2022-23 will be implemented effectively in the state of Meghalaya. So friends, as I said, you all are aware of the budget, you have gone through the budget. I felt it not necessary to go into the entire details of the budget, which you already know it, but I have just given a cover up, backup, the spirit behind the budget to ensure that with good intention, this budget has been presented, and keeping in mind the need of the common people, everything has been taken care of, including the special support for the northeastern region. 10% budgetary support for the state of northeastern region to provide as a matching fund is for some schemes, not all. There are many schemes which are grant. There are many schemes which are 100% grant. The matching share is only very few. Rest of the states, in some schemes the contribution of the state government is 40%. In some of the schemes it is 75%. And in some schemes it is 50-50. But northeastern region is wherever required. The matching grant is only 10%, but as I said, many schemes are in grant. The highways, the roads, these are all 100% grants. The individual beneficiary schemes are all 100% grants. The 10% budgetary, the matching grant is for very limited schemes.